Hello, balik ulit ako. Malobat na ang aking sipi. Kaya pagkatapos ito, maluto ako. Yan na. Yan. Ako nga, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako mamamatay. Yun. Dali lang talaga ang buhay. Hindi ko makapaniwala na wala na yun si Diego Buaya. Dating kausap-usap ko yan sa Messenger, nagbibigay ng sa akin, payo na huwag magpaloko. Tingnan mo, hindi mo alam, wala na. Yeah. Bad guy sa pelikula, pero palabiro. Yan. Kaya hindi mo akalain talaga ang buhay ng isang tao. Hindi ka mawalang kasiguraduhan sa buhay ng tao. Kaya gumawa ng kabutihan. Kasi di natin alam kung ano ang magiging bukas. Dati noon, umiiyak ako. Natanong sa sarili ko, bakit ako pa? Dati na-depressed ako. Pag napunta ako sa doktor, nadidepressed ako. Lalo na yung nakikimo ako. Na minsan naluluha ako. Pero pag yung talagang na ako yung mo na yung gamot dito sa ko, yung chemo medicine, may dumadaan diyan sa sa harapan ko. Yung attention ko nababaling doon sa mga dumadaan. Nakikita ko man na may walker, matatanda na, mas matanda pa sa akin. Ang iba nga, yung kalalabas ko lang sa banyo. Kasi pag napabanyo ka, dala-dala mo yung chemo medicine, right? Yan, dala-dala mo. Pag palabas ko na sa banyo, may hospital bed, tapos yung yung babae makimo rin. Kaya naagaw yung attention ko. Yan. Dasal na lang ako. Sabi ko sa isip ko, kung kaya nila, magkakaya ko rin. Yan, na-pray na lang ako. Yan. Kaya nga, ang iba, hindi naniniwala na may sakit ako. Kasi, tingnan mo, tumatawa ako. Ang iba, nakikita ko, na umiiyak, nadidepress, parang, gusto na mag-give up. Bawat araw, nagising ako, yan, regalo sa akin, ng Panginoon, Ama Jesucristo. Yan. Kaya, ako, tanggap ko na. Dati, hindi ko matanggap. Siyempre, yung umpisa pa lang, hindi ko matanggap. Kasi, bakit ako? Ano bang nagawa kong kasalanan? Kung bakit ako? Akala ko, pinaparusahan ako. Yung pala, nag-research ako. galing pala sa stress at depression. Kasi nag-research ako, tingnan mo nangyari kay Dr. Ong. Ano yan? Nasa YouTube, nagtutulong ng tungkol sa mga sakit, na-advise siya, dahil, bash siya ng mga ibang tao, na yung nagsali siya ng sa politika, inano siya, na lait-lait siya ng ibang tao. Hindi nakayanan. Yung na-depress daw siya, yung kaya yun. Nagbaba ang immune system. Yung kasakit. Deadly ang nakuha niyang sakit. Hanggang ngayon, nasa Singapore pa rin siya at nagpapagamot. Nagpapasok sana siyang maging kasi yung yan, hindi congressman, yung isa, kalimutan ko ng pangalan. Nag-withdraw na siya kasi ang sabi na ipo-focus ang niya sa sa health niya. Yan. Kaya napapanood ko pa rin yung mga vlogs niya tungkol sa mga sa health. Wala na rin siyang buhok. Pinagdadadaan ko yan. Ako na hindi ako magpakit na sino kaya sa mga for example, mayroon akong ibang kapatid nagkakasakit din. Kaya lagtad silang mapakita na walang buhok? Ay siguro tatago yan. So may hiya. Mahihiya siya na hindi pakita. Ay ako, bakit ako mahihiya? Bakit ako ma-pretend na okay ang lahat? Pagkatapos, ikukwento naman sa sa iba. Tingnan mo, yung nagkasakit, walang nakakalam na nagkasakit ako, pero ang ginawa, tinawag ng Pilipinas at pinamalita na may sakit ako. Kaya, pinamalita agad. Pati doon sa mga pinsan ko, pinamalita, pinsan ko sa Ontario, pinamalita, kalain mo yan. Na pinagkwento lahat. Pati doon sa nagdo-door to door, pinagkwento. Doon sa tindahan sa Pan-Asia, pinagkwento. Lahat ng mga taong makakakilala sa akin, pinagkwento. Talaga. Kaya, bakit ako matago? Kasi open book ang pinagkwento ko. Pinagkukwentuhan talaga. Talagang pinagkukwento talaga. Yan. Dapat nga, magkuha muna ng permiso sa akin na pinagsabi kung kani-kanino na may sakit, nagkaroon ako ng sakit. Pero hindi. Talagang lantara na pinagkwento. Ay, naku pa. Ano kaya yan? Ay, naku po. Siguro, for example, may isang kapatid ako na nagkasakit din. Tapos, makalbo siya. Ano kaya? Matatanggap na nakalbo siya? Sigurado matidepressed. Lalo na kung wala ng buhok, tanggal na. Pero ako talagang lantaran. Pinakita ko sa lahat. Kahit yung mga kakilala ko sa showbiz, talagang post ko talaga. Magulat nga sila. Kaya, nagulat na yon na nakalbo na ako, tanggal na ang buhok ko, yung sa pagkimo, yun. Tanggap ko na, tingnan mo Ang ano pala, sa nagkikimo, ang pag nagbalik ang yung ano ng tubo, ng buhok, ang resulta pala, magiging puti ang buhok mo at magiging itim. Ay ako, puti. Nagputi yung buhok ko. Yan, talaga, yun ang isa rin sa mga side effects ng chemo. Ang chemotherapy. Yan. Dati, naib ako masyado tungkol sa yung nagka-cancer si mama, yung yung lung cancer, stage 4. Tapos may cancer pa siya sa utak. Tapos may nagkalat pa sa ibang parte ng organ. May iba kong kapatid, yun, nagkwento sa akin, nandito rin sa Canada. Nagkwento, ako ang sinisisi kung bakit daw namatay si mama. Kagustuhan na yun ng oncologist doctor na gusto nang i-release. Okay. Saka si Papa gusto na talagang gusto na ni Papang iuwi na kasi yun. Wala na rin kuya nag-try pa yun ng radiation. Nahimatay si mama ilang beses. Ang tao pala na hindi makabuhat. Ay. What's that?
Food.
Did you order something?
No, I had to pick it up myself on the way home.
What is that?
Food. Just food.
What kind of food? Oh, did you take a taxi?
Yeah, I took a taxi and it's all soaking wet. Because we needed water, so I...
Did you buy something for me?
Just give me a second to bring it in. Hang on. Okay.
Wow. What is this? Oh, no, nakalimutan ko na yung sasabihin ko. Ay, apple pie! Apple pie! Ay, hindi na ako sa buhay ko. Ang pinipray ko lang, yun, na kung time ko na talaga, tinatanggap ko na. Nag-iwan na rin ako sa mga anak ko.
You know,
na
they were actually out of the milk I wanted to buy.
I'm doing live, so
Okay.
don't say nothing na it's not good.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying they were out of what I wanted to get.
So there's no milk?
No, I have to go out tomorrow and get
Where did you shop?
just other store down the road.
What
The
is
green
that?
one, I'm not going to mention the name.
The green?
The green store. You know.
Huh?
Never mind.
Okay, in my ears.
I shop at Frisco.
Okay, good. That's my favorite store.
But, yeah, but they were completely out because the milk I wanted, because it was the end of the day, so it was sold out.
Yeah. So when are you gonna get
I have to get milk.
the milk?
Um,
They cannot survive without milk.
I know. I have to buy it tomorrow. I have or I could do that, or I could order at the other store for have them to deliver here. For
Which one?
The expensive. I can
Oh,
have it ordered from
the rich
the
store.
rich fancy store and order it and have it delivered tonight. If you unless you want to suffer without milk for one day, and then I can go pick it up.
Oh
tomorrow.
no, the kids cannot suffer. They don't want to suffer in not drinking milk.
Well, we're gonna have to deal with it one day.
You know what to eat? I what to cook. Yeah. Tinuruan ko ang mga anak kong kumain ng rice. Kaya pag napasok sa trabaho, gusto talagang kanin na. Ayaw nila ng macaroni and cheese, ayaw ng spaghetti, ayaw ng potato, kasi nadadali silang magutom.
Well,
Yun.
this is getting my exercise for today.
Say hi to everyone.
Hi to everyone.
Hi, Al.
Hi everyone. And everyone.
Sabi ko kaya, you know, remember I told you
I'll
all
be
the
back. I
time?
want one more trip. I gotta do this.
Sinabi ko sa kanya,
I'm energetic.
gusto kong mauna ako. Ayokong ayoko yung siya ang mauna. Ako gusto ko ang mauna. Yan. Tinatawa-tawa ko na lang. Kaya yan. Si Mama Friend, ang nakuha ni Mama ang sakit niyang cancer. Sa sobra niyang stress. Minsan nahuli ko yun, umiiyak. Yung mga hinanakit niya.
I see the boy made some homemade pizza. Huh?
Yeah, nagdo-drawing yan, umiiyak, nahuli ko.
So now we're good for water. You said you needed water, but
Yeah.
I went there to get milk too. Not just
Kaya-
water, but they're completely sold out. So
No,
now
it's okay.
I have to go out tomorrow. I have to, unfortunately, deal without having milk tonight.
So, how's your teeth?
Doing better, I guess. I'll know soon enough. I can't eat right.
How much you pay? Cash?
Reasonable. I thought I was going to have to pay over 300, but I guess, since I'm a good patient, I don't know, they gave me a good deal on it.
How much?
A couple $100.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I mean, considering. That's why I got to get better dental. I'm going to start getting better dental insurance, so it doesn't. How much does it come to?
Ang mahal ng
Well,
dentista
almost
dito.
$300, I guess.
Oo, ang
$292.
mahal dito ng dentista.
It cost about a couple of days worth of groceries.
I know.
Like
How
this.
much you pay for the other dentist?
Well, because I had 4 teeth done plus X-rays, almost $800.
Oh my God.
And this one, because it was just
Sa isang
covered-
araw lang na trabaho.
this one was
ng-
$292. See,
Okay. Do you have a receipt for the
this
other
is my
one?
receipt.
No, the
Yeah,
other one.
yeah. I put it in my drawer. I'm keeping that. It's upside down. $292 plus change.
Oh my goodness. Mahal talaga ang dentista dito.
But I mean,
Wow.
but if worst case scenario, at least I saved it from being pulled. But if worst case scenario, if it does bother me in the future, instead of me having to get it pulled, all I have to do is just clean it out and do a root
Kaya
canal.
mas maganda
And I can save my tooth.
magpaayos ng ngipin sa Pilipinas. Kasama na ang bakasyon yan.
Well,
Kaya,
that's just, okay, let me just put this jacket with you. I'm roasting. I'll come back in a few minutes and start putting this stuff in, because I'm really getting
Oh.
thirsty.
yeah, oh, wait a minute. Oh,
That's somebody else's laundry being done. I'll be there in a minute.
yeah, okay. Mag-iisip ako kung kung ano ang lulutuin. Oh my goodness. Mahilig sila sa Lucky Charm. Excuse me. Apple pie, yung paborito ko. Sa kanya mahilig siya sa Si Alec mahilig sa sa cherry pie. Ako mahilig sa apple pie. Celebrate. Mini cookies. Mini cookies. Padalahan ko kay nito si Maro. Nang yan. Nandyan. Kapag medyo okay na ako, impake ako isa-isa. Kasi pag yuko ka ng ganyan, masakit dito, oh. Masakit pag na ganyan. Ganyan. Yung pressure siguro. Yan. Yeah. Grabing mga pagsubok ang dumating sa akin. Talagang sobrang pagsubok. Siguro sinasabayan pa ng mga ng mga witchcraft sa akin. Kaya ang akala nila, pag nagkasakit ulit ako, ang akala, gagagawa nila. Kasi may tao talagang galit sa akin. Kaya, yan. Hindi nila alam talagang ano yan. Yan talagang parte ng ano. Kasi ito, sasabihin ko, ang stage 4 cancer, nakalabas na sa boundary. Kalabas na. Yan. Ang stage 1, it's stage 2, nasa boundary pa lang yan. Diyan lang yan. Pero, stage 3 and stage 4, nakalabas na. Kaya, pag mahina ang immune system mo, depressed ka, stress ka, napunta na yan kung saan yan. Yan ang sa cancer. At yun ako nag-research. Kaya hindi na ako matatanga-tanga.
I need to grab a piece of, those paper towel over here, I guess.
Kala noon, tanga-tanga kung ako. Kaya ako ang binibigyan ng, na kasalanan ko daw kung bakit si mama nag-cancer. Ay, namatay.
Look at this, sweat.
Hindi nila alam.
Oh my goodness.
Kaya nag-search ako niya, nagtanong sa oncologist doctor. Ay, talagang, bihira ang na-survive sa stage 4 cancer. Bihira talaga. Ako nga sinabihan na noon na na ako.
See? The pie got wet on the
Ilang
box.
na lang ang buwan ang buhay ko. Isang buwan hanggang less than 1 year. Kasi nga bihira sa na
And then several years later, you're still here
because
you're not
sa
meant
praying and a strong
to be. No, because you're not. It's not your time. You're not meant to go yet.
yeah, siguro maybe because I still have mission.
Yeah. Plus, you're helping people, by the way. You know.
Yeah, I still have mission.
You're
So,
helping people.
and I believe in the power of God, Lord God, Almighty Father,
This is
Jesus
what I'm This is
Christ.
what I'm trying to tell you. You're helping people by doing what you're doing. Is actually helping people cope with the same thing you're going through, similar or thereabouts. Because there are variations of different forms of cancers. But as people see that, this person tried this and tried that and wasn't so.
Yeah.
And such. So they
Nagiging ako, guinea pig.
No. But I'm saying
Guinea pig.
when they see that you're going through what you're going through, and they know that. See, the more people they know that they're not alone in this, and they're often,
Sabi ko nga, I told the doctor, if they need guinea pig, I'm willing to do that. Because there's nothing to lose anyway.
you can't be a guinea pig. You know why? You know why you can't be a guinea pig?
Yeah.
Because you have no bacon. There you go.
Sinabi ko yan na kung gusto,
See, I remember that you like these things for your.
Oh yeah,
See,
my lemongrass.
and I remember you like cooking these things too.
Oh yeah, but what is in there? Because I can't cook that without meat.
What do you mean? What kind of meat?
Like,
What you mean? You mean meat like this meat?
yeah, but that's not stewing.
Oh well, I don't know. I mean, I can always go out and get some of that.
That's
I know. I'll
pork.
get. I'll,
What is that called?
yeah, but this is for a different meal.
A steak. No, pork chop.
Yeah, no, I'll go get the other one. Like
That's
when
for boiling, like a soup.
It's okay. It's no problem. Tomorrow when I get milk, I'll pick up stewing beef.
Yeah.
Because the farmer's market has the stewing beef I want.
Yeah.
I'll already pre-sliced. Remember?
And it have some bones too. I like bones.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, put some a little bit bones because I like it when digging out. I like it. I like bones.
Bones.
Yeah, I like bones.
You like bones?
Because the kids don't like fried all the time and put it in the oven all the time. And so I wanna send like that tomorrow. So
Here's Duke's favorite treat for him too. And a treat for myself, see?
yeah, remember when my mom got sick because she's
See?
I told mama to be strong.
Did you know?
And seems that she's losing
I thought this was dry. Here, give me I need another piece of paper towel.
like she's giving up.
Thank you.
She doesn't want to
Just one
eat.
piece. That's good.
Losing appetite. Ako, ang ginagawa ko.
See? I got
Nung-
the pie I like, and I
yeah.
got the pie you like. You like apple, I
Yeah,
like
nung
cherry.
nawala na akong talaga, gana. Binigyan ako ng yan kung anong dapat kong binigyan yung parang solution kung anong dapat kong gawin, no. Linagagyan ko ng ginagawa kong lugaw. Oh, tapos ini-stroke ko. Oh, ginaganyan ko. Oh, hindi nadaan dito sa talang diretso sa tiyan. Oh, yan. Baby food. Yan inaano ko. Kaya
I know. I was there. I know what.
kaya talagang dapat tanggapin mo. Wag mo hanggang no.
Favorite cereal.
Na
special
ibang
edition.
i-deny na walang sakit kasi mas lalo kang mahirapan, pero tanggapin mo pagkatapos mag-pray at mag-pray at iano mo na ang sarili mo sa Panginoon na kung talagang time mo na wala ka nang magagawa, yan.
You gonna pray?
Pray, like pray from here. Here, from your heart. When you pray, plus you repent. Kung ano man ang mga
Repent?
nagawa mo mga kasalanan, hingi ka na ng na huwag mo nang ulitin. Gano'n yun. Kasalanan ko na madagi akong
Well,
nauto.
you see?
Madaling magtiwala.
See,
Pero
I
ngayon,
even
open up my
decided to
eyes
get
now.
Some of these just for the heck of it
Yeah.
because I wanted to try these just to try.
At isa pa, hindi mo kailangan ang ibang tao para maging masaya ka. Yan ang naanuhan ko.
See, I don't have milk. I can't even enjoy my coffee.
Yeah, naanuhan ko nasubukan ko na yan. Hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao para
See,
maging
that's
masaya
dinner.
ka.
See?
Kasi kung i-depend mo ang sarili mo sa iba para maging masaya ka, ay pag ayaw na sa iyo, madidepress ka lang. Ay, naku po. Kaya yun, natatawa-tawa na lang ako. Kasi, ano yan?
There you go. That's for your...
Mango! Excuse
You
me.
need mango so you can go.
And can you give me some?
What? Warm water, hot water?
Yeah.
So you want, you say like, how do you say that? Gusto?
Gusto mo mainit tubig.
Too big? Too big? Yes, I am getting too big.
Excuse me. Al, when are you gonna buy me a light?
I don't need to buy you light.
No.
There's sunshine outside.
No, light for my camera like
I'm
this
kidding.
because this light here make my face
You got
going
one.
down like this.
You want an overhead light?
I don't want. That's not good for making a video.
Well, maybe
Make
what-
your face doing like this. So.
Here's what I'll do. I'll design. I'll go to the design company, and what I'll do is I'll design a little clip-on that you can put here, right? And it'll clip on the back.
I
It'll come up
love
like this. Look,
mango.
hey. It'll come up like this, and it'll go like this, and it'll be a light yellow glow, and it'll come up, and it'll be attached to your shirt.
Yeah.
It'll come up like this, and it'll be a ring, and it'll be on an angle, so it'll always look like you have a halo above your head when you're taking a picture.
No, I don't like that.
Yeah, it'll be really cool. I can design it.
Ito,
All
iniipon
I have
ko
to do is get 10 grand.
para sa garbage.
It only cost me $10,000 to patent it,
Oh, Al, just buy me something
and it only
for,
cost me
for my light.
$150,000 before I can get it to market.
So I can have light. So when, I've been asking you like this, eh?
Uh-huh.
Because the reason why I having a live show right now, because I don't
you're
have,
alive still.
no,
that's
no,
why.
no.
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't have any more extra space in my memories.
You mean your memory card?
Mm-hmm.
Here's for your other cooking.
Memory card.
You
Yeah.
don't want to put that up.
Ginger. Don't put it in the fridge.
No, no fridge.
The last time I put it in the fridge, it got rotten.
Cauliflowers.
Oh, yeah, I love
And
cauliflower.
fresh vegetables.
So, what are you gonna cook for breakfast? I mean, for supper?
These ones right here. That one.
Yeah.
This is some Italian sausage or something.
Yeah, you cook that.
I'll cook it later. Well, I mean, it's
9
too much.
o'clock.
Plug it in there.
Schedule.
I know. Well, we'll have to put this. I'll just leave this here for now.
Yeah. I'm
Up
gonna
here.
clean the fridge.
I'll leave this up here. Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, look what I got. See? I even got a small shampoo. It's nice. It's nice.
Oh.
But it's a nice one that's good. It's easy on your hair.
No, I like baby
know,
shampoo. That's
but-
what the doctor
But that's good. It's like it's
suggested
real. It's a
to
real.
me.
But that stuff's really good. It's all in one.
Oh, can you?
It's okay. I'll fix it. Now that you open, you can't. There you go. Ready? Ooh. Look at that, eh? Can you get room for this? This is extras. Oh,
Kaya yung nagsasabi,
see?
kasalanan ko
There you
kung
go.
bakit namatay si mama.
Banana, nana, nana. There you go.
Yung ina-accuse ako, nakasalanan ko si mama. Ay, kinakasalanan ko na bakit namatay si mama. My goodness. Nag-research ako niyan. At nagtanong pa ako sa doktor.
Here's your.
Imagine, kinukundem
Put
ako.
that aside
Nakasalanan
and
ko daw.
That's got to go in the
Oh,
fridge.
yeah.
Take
Like
your
this.
time.
Yeah.
There
May
you go.
eggplant. Kinukundem ako, nakasalanan ko daw.
How come when if you take an eggplant, you cut the stem, how come when you plant it in the ground, it doesn't come out an egg? Because it's an eggplant.
I don't know why they call. I know. Because, well, when you're
The
cooking
when you
this
cook- when you
with eggs.
No, but I think when you cook it, maybe the flavor tastes similar to eggs.
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
No. So anyway,
This smell. I might try this stuff sometime.
yung kinukundi na ako, nakasalanan ko
I'll
kung,
have golden hair.
bakit namatay si mama.
Golden shampoo, baby.
Yeah.
I got my ketchups.
Naano ko na nag-search ako niyan, nagtanong-tanong pa ako sa mga
One
sa
big huge
doktor.
row. That's dinner right there.
Kaya yan.
Don't worry. Be
Kaya
happy.
imagine ha, si mama nagkaroon ng lung cancer stage 4.
Don't worry.
Tapos may cancer cell sa ulo. Apat ha, cancer cell sa ulo.
Well, the thing is
Tapos meron pa siyang cancer sa ibang parte ng organ, sa may adrenaline gland, sa may also sa may sa may kidney. Paano masusurvive ang isang taong ganyan? Lalo na kung matanda na, 76 na. Oh. Sa lang nga, yung lang nagkaroon lang ng lung cancer at hindi wala sa ibang parte ng katawan. O hindi na kinaya, mas bata pa yun. Dahil nag-search ako din. Ang lung cancer, mahirap na gamutin. Lalo na kung stage 4. Kasi may cancer daw na na bigla lang nalabas. Na hindi nag-aalam. Yan.
Alright, that's it for that.
Kaya, ang sign ng lung cancer, yung palagi nag-uubo. Ubo. Tapos sakit yung sumasakit yung ulo ni mama noon. Yan, kumasakit palagi. Kaya ginaganyan nga yan, ginaganyan.
You know one thing about cancer though?
Yeah.
It's not prejudiced. It doesn't care whether you're rich or poor, black or white. If it wants to find you, it'll find you.
I know.
It doesn't care. It has no prejudice.
Kaya, yun. Saka si mama, grabe ang stress ni mama, depression.
If she was around right now, she'd be more depressed because she'd be seeing you going through that right now.
Oh, I won't be depressed. I won't be sick because my mom is here. When she died,
that made you worse. Feel worse.
When I'm alone, I'm always crying.
Yeah, because it's touching.
But I'm not showing to
it's touching the echo of your
I'm not
heart.
showing to Papa, to other people.
Well,
I just keep it to
At
myself.
least you cared enough
And
to be there.
my kids,
Yeah, but you
I don't want to
cared
show
enough.
it to them that
You cared enough to be there.
I'm suffering depression. Remember that time? Because of so much depression, I commit suicide. Oh yeah, that time.
No, you don't want to do that.
I was in the hospital for 4 days. And there's a police guarding me outside to make sure.
No.
Oh yeah, there's a police out there outside.
Did you not stop to think that you've got children to care about?
No, because when someone is depressed, or your
my
mind,
life is valuable because
your mind right now, yeah, and my mind is blank. You know. I seen my mom. I thought she's gonna be like that to me. No, she's standing there and she's angry.
Oh, I'm gonna come back in a minute.
Then that's what I realized that paano kung mamatay ako o anong mangyayari sa mga anak ko. Kaya yung isipan ko nang nakikita ko si mama. Akala ko, yun, nagiiyak ako, punta ako doon sa banyo, pigaganyan ko ang ko, tapos ako mismo ang nagtawag ng ambulance para sa akin. Ito, na nagpunta dito ng ambulance, tapos dinala ko sa emergency, yan.
Come on, beverages, where are you?
2015 or 16. 4 days ako sa ospital. Pagkatapos, galing pa lang ako sa ospital, nagtawag pa ng social worker against me. Oh, grabe. Remember that time? I just arrived. I just discharged from the hospital. I still have my medication in my system. Oh,
and you're so famous that people want to bring you down.
Someone, my relatives here in Canada. They really wanna.
They love you so much. They want to make you happy.
No, they want me. They want to kill me by stress.
that shows that they care about you because they're always paying attention to you.
Yeah, they call up. Ministry of Children against me that I'm abusing my kids. Imagine that. I cannot defend myself for, saying things about me because I still have medicine in my system. And I'm not aware what's going on. Oh. My goodness. And then interview my kids. Wow. They say good about me.
It's not that the children were...
Because, here in Canada, a family member phone against me.
You could have put a backlash lawsuit on basically.
I know.
And they could have served 3-6 months or more in jail time. Plus
next time. Next time. Okay. Yeah, continue because it's black now. Okay. God bless. Oh, blood. Okay. It's okay. It's off now.